my channel. So as you can see from the title, my today's video is the Amazon books and stationery haul. So for the books, I would just like to say that अगर आप reader हो तो obviously आपको books चाहिए, and मेरे पास बहुत सारी books हैं, फिर भी मुझे बहाना चाहिए नई books खरीदने का. As we all know, you all can relate if you are a reader. And the second thing about the stationery, I would not brag, but I am a stationery addict, so please bear with me and join the club. So first I will show you the books I have, and then I will continue to my cute stationery. So the first book I have here is Little Book of Comfort by Ruskin Bond. We all know Ruskin Bond, and he's my favorite Indian author. I have actually grown up reading his storybooks, and I just love his storybooks. I love his every book. I have read so many of his books, I just can't tell you. So I would like to show you just a glimpse of this book, and it has great quotations. I love it, and for everyday purpose, they are really good for motivating you. So I have here Winners Hang On When Losers Let Go. The second one is The Strong Man and The Waterfall Channel Their Own Paths. So these are really good quotes here in this book, and I will highly recommend it to just purchase this book. It's a lovely book. So the next book I have here is A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khaled Hosseini, and this is a great novel to cherish. And I have already read this book, but I have purchased this physical copy because जो पहले की मेरी book थी वो मेरे से खो गई थी. I don't know where it got lost, so I had to buy this book just to cherish because I have read this book. It's a great book, and if you are an avid reader, you would know that this book is so great. And if you haven't read it, please go pick it up and read it. You will not get disappointed. This is a beautiful book, guys. I would highly recommend it. अगर आप और कोई book पढ़ो या ना पढ़ो, trust me on this, you have to read this. So I would just like to give you a gist of the story if you haven't read it still. So it is a gripping tale about two women, Mariam, who is an illegitimate child, and Leila, who is an orphan, and the difficult lives they lead after marrying the same man, Rashid. So I won't give anything up more because it will just spoil the story for you if you haven't read it. So please go for this, guys. I highly recommend this one. The next book I have here is Milk and Honey by Rupi Kaur, and is the New York Times bestseller, and I wanted to purchase this book from a really long time, so I finally purchased it. And this book is a collection of prose and poetry, and it is a great book, and I haven't read it, but I have heard great reviews about this book. I will just show you these pages, guys. It has beautiful illustration. People go, but how they left always stay. Love is not cruel, we are cruel. Love is not a game, we have a game out of love. So these words are like beautiful, and here it is written, this is the journey of surviving through poetry. This is the blood, sweat, tears of 21 years. This is my heart in your hands. This is the hurting, the loving, the breaking, and the healing. So as you can see, means I don't have any words to describe. It's such a beautiful book, and please do let me know if you have read it. Do let me know in the comment section below. And till now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell button, and do let me know your views in the comment section below because we are readers here, so definitely join the club. So the next book I have here, Healing is the New High, and a guide to overcoming emotional turmoil and finding freedom by Vex King. And we all know Vex King is a really great author. He has written that book Good Vibes, Good Life. I have already read it, and that is an amazing book, and I wanted to try this one out because his language, his way of explaining things is really great. So I have great expectations from this book, so let's just see how it goes. So now coming to the cutesy little things, these are the two pens, and these are not from Amazon. This I have purchased from the website PropShop24, so that is why here I'm telling you this. And this is the Love Me cutesy little pen, and this is the lipstick pen. You can see the sparkles in it, and what excuse will I give to buy these? Sorry, I don't have it because I just love stationery, that's it. So I can have never enough notebooks, said by me. Okay, so this is a notebook, Big Dreams, and this is a normal notebook, guys, short cute notebook, and this is also from PropShop24. So I really like this design and the message it says. So no excuse, love it. The next cute babies I have here are these cute sticky notes, and as a reader you know, जब आप भी कोई book पढ़ते हो तो आपको उसमें notes लिखने होते हैं, चीज़ें लिखनी होती हैं, scribble करनी होती हैं. So obviously like me, you can't scribble on a book. I don't like that. So I use sticky notes, and they are really cute, and you can never have enough sticky notes. So the next thing I have here is this Nourish planner, and I bought this from Amazon, and it was like 250 or 300 rupees, and as you can see, I won't show you, I have written notes there. It also has sticky notes, it has a pocket, and it is a really good, it comes with 2 notepads, one is ruled and one is not ruled, and it also comes with a pen. So for a person like me, this is really cute. It also comes in other designs, so I would highly recommend this one. This is like really, you know, to write your to-do list and all that, to take notes, everything, you know, you can use it on a daily basis. So these were the things I bought, guys, and you can say that it was not such a big huge haul जैसे कि और readers का होता है, because I didn't went crazy in buying books this time, but I definitely do go crazy most of the times. So this was my short and sweet haul, and if you like this haul, please do give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and let me know your views in the comment section below. So let's join the club, guys. Thank you for watching. Till next time, take care.